Hello everyone, welcome to the channel 88 Keys. My name is Chris, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button already, give that subscribe button a click and a like, because from now on I'm going to be uploading content on how to play piano and different tutorials on Coldplay, Elton John, all new pop songs I learn by ear, and I want to share the how-to videos on all of them and tutorials with you, and basically teach you online through my YouTube channel. I've been learning since I've been 6 years old. I was classically trained, and but I used my ear to play other people's songs. So, for example, we're going to learn the improvisation from the Elton John video from Vicarage Road, which I uploaded. I'll insert a clip now. But yeah, we're going to learn that improvisation that he does. I've learnt it by ear. It's kind of my own take on it. And if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, because as I say, I will be doing more Elton John videos and also other new pop songs when I get a chance to upload. So yeah, let's get started. So it starts in a minor chord, as you can see. Hopefully you heard it starts here. Let me just hit this button here. Right, hopefully this will work now. So there we go. So it starts in a minor chord. It's minor chord all the way through. So from here, need to work out what he does in between those two chords to get there. So you've probably seen this in many other tutorials online, that Elton John sort of plays in a very similar style in all his songs, and he's also classically trained, so understanding what he does and breaking it down is actually quite simple. And once you learn some of his songs, the rest are pretty easy to work out from there. Starting on this song, so on this improvisation, we're starting a B minor down to E minor. Very simple. I'm going to go slowly to work out what's in between these chords, and then we'll move on to the next bit. So it's like this. Okay, so that's it played slow. If we speed it up a bit, like how he plays it. So what I would recommend is playing through that 3 or 4 times, just that first bit, just to get into the sort of understanding of how to play it. Okay, and we'll go again, maybe a bit slower. Sorry, that's my keyboard, it's playing up at the moment, but we'll go again. Okay, and now the next bit, it's B, D, G, and then this G here, I just sort of hold it down as we move up the... adds to the... sorry. Then after you play those 3 chords, you hit the D, and then A, D, F sharp, and then in the left hand all you're doing is again. One more time we go through that, then we'll play the 2 parts together, then we'll move on to the final part. Okay, then we play it from the start. Okay. and then it goes into Tiny Dancer. Okay, so we'll just play through that improvisation one more time, and then we'll end the video there. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because in my next video I think I'm going to do maybe the introduction to your song. So yeah, subscribe to the channel. Let's go through this one more time, and then we'll end the video there. Yeah, so. Perfect. Well, I hope this video has helped you learn how to improvise like Elton John. I know it's a very short improvisation, but it's all I had on the video, and I haven't seen him do it anywhere else. So, yeah, thank you for watching. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you liked the video, or if you wanted to see what other videos you want me to do. Let me know what you would like to see, because there is a lot of stuff that I can play, and yeah, I want to share it with you guys. I'm happy to do that. So yeah, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and see you in the next one.